आईपीएल के टाइम पे एक का भी बच्चा नहीं हो रहा।
कौन करने वाला है? सेकंड मेरा बच्चा नहीं कर रहा।
पाकिस्तान इज डैडी नंबर 1 राइट नाउ।
क्या बोलिंग है डूड अभी उनका?
लाइक हर मैच उनकी देखी लो स्कोरिंग मैच थी।
नो ऑस्ट्रेलियन हैज स्कोर्ड a 50।
पैट कमिंस क्रिकेट में हमने ग्राइंडर डाउनलोड कर दिया।
Only 2 people can win us this series.
जोजी भाई,
Joji भाई, Billy Bowden's other name, off camera name is Joji, by the way.
Yeah,
that's cricket. Yeah, from Jinx.
It's such a bad time that I had to agree with संजय मांजरेकर।
ये इस पे नहीं सोचते हम सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स निकालते हैं, हम सॉल्यूशंस नहीं देते भाई। Welcome to Cricket's episode number 26.
Wow, 26?
That's right.
Oh dude, that's half our mission.
That's right, we're already halfway.
Oh shit.
And 26 means कौन है भाई?
कौन है भाई? तू बता।
मुरली विजय for a reason. How can you forget?
Oh,
legend,
what are you saying?
Assassin.
My favorite movie is Ajnabi actually.
Murli Vijay.
Antariksh has no context over Murli Vijay.
Like, अरे Bollywood reference.
Yeah, up top वो भी आज.
Up top.
In the first minute.
Yeah, MVJ, one time test opener.
And two time.
Two timing, one time test opener. DK.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
maybe speaking of openers, maybe he could have got into the team in this current situation.
Yes, where we don't have
हमारा
रोहित शर्मा
पैटर्निटी लीव पे जाने वाले हैं।
गलत टाइम बच्चे कर रहा है ये
भाई। कंसेप्शन का भी एक टाइम होता है भाई,
और वो मंथ होता है
मार्च नहीं
होता है
मार्च में नहीं करो ताकि बॉर्डर गावस्कर करके बच्चा नहीं आए भाई।
अरे यार आईपीएल के टाइम पे एक का भी बच्चा नहीं हो रहा। तुम देख रहे हो, मुझे बताओ एक क्रिकेटर जिसका बच्चा हुआ है आईपीएल के टाइम में।
एकदम गलत है। 2021 विराट डिड दिस, ऑफ कोर्स इट वर्कड आउट वेल फॉर अस।
या
ही केम होम एंड अजिंक्य रहाणे came with like no
and Ajinkya can
holds
afford
barred.
to have a child during IPL.
Yeah. Anytime he can go for it anytime.
Yeah, except BGT time.
BGT time. Abhi we won that, but that doesn't mean abhi we put ourselves through this again.
Yeah man, what the यार कोई दूसरे सीरीज में करना चाहिए, like न्यूजीलैंड सीरीज में
कर लेता भाई। 3-0 व्हाइट वॉश, वी वुड बी लाइक रोहित नहीं था नहीं तो जीत
आई थिंक न्यूजीलैंड के टाइम पे सबको बच्चा करना चाहिए। 11 लड़कों को, ऋषभ पंत को तभी शादी करके तभी बच्चा कर लेना चाहिए।
इन प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड्स रिडिकुलसली लो पॉपुलेशन।
यस
11 बच्चा करना चाहिए।
या
आई डोंट यू फील ऑल क्रिकेटर्स, दिस माइट बी कंट्रोवर्शियल बट ऑल क्रिकेटर्स शुड टाइम इट टुगेदर ताकि उनके सारे बच्चे एक साथ अंडर 19 में आ सके, लिफ्ट द ट्रॉफी टुगेदर। नो नेपोटिज्म।
मतलब सीनियर्स वैसे ही नहीं उठा रहे, कम से कम बच्चों को एक मौका दे दो।
हाँ, छोटा सा एक प्लास्टिक ट्रॉफी उठा लो अंडर 19 वाला।
यार अभी पहली बात तो हम
इस पे वापस आते बॉर्डर पे। बॉर्डर
पे आते मेरी फेवरेट मूवी है वैसे बॉर्डर
सीरीज। ऑफ कोर्स
हम है तो क्या हम है।
राइट आंसर इज बॉर्डर योर फेवरेट मूवी?
यस एंड गावस्कर इज नॉट माय फेवरेट मूवी।
नॉट एट ऑल,
ओनली बॉर्डर इज।
गावस्कर मूवी बहुत ही बोरिंग है, सेम चीज होते रहता है उसमें हर 2 मिनट।
When I used to play in 1980s, in 1970s, you know, we did not have these helmets or like money, but we were still playing. You know, we had concussions, but we were still batting. We had 5 children.
That's right. We
used 5 children, Billy Bowden.
We didn't have bats.
Like you.
We used to hit the ball with the back of our palms. इसलिए my hands are strong. I hit a century with just this hand.
Learn something, Rohan.
Joel Garner used to bowl from Mars onto my head. ये सब सुना है बहुत।
Yes, this movie is little boring and little Billy Bowden urf Harmla Harris urf Joji is in a very fun mood because I was on vacation.
Yeah, tell us about. Let's talk about that.
Yes, we are coming back to BGT in some time, but I was in vacation. I'm not vacation. I'd gone for a wedding to Jaipur. My cousins from UAE were getting Dubai was getting married basically.
Oh, nice. Did you meet some interesting people from Dubai?
Yeah, no, not at all. Dubai people are never interesting.
That's right. And nobody is interested in Dubai, especially PCB.
Yes.
As BCCI, what a segue. BCCI suggested.
Not planned at all.
BCCI suggested India play their Champions Trophy games in Dubai instead of Pakistan because we don't go there anymore.
Yeah.
But Pakistan Cricket Board is like, nahi
it's too expensive to go there.
Yeah, I'm sure the Pakistan cricket team is like, oh no, we don't want to go, but inside they're like, चलते हैं भाई।
पाकिस्तान से सबको ही बाहर निकलना है।
हाँ, मतलब why not Dubai, right? But
Yeah.
what do you think will happen to the Champions Trophy? There's no
First
Champions
is
Trophy without
ICC,
India.
BCCI has told ICC, like Jay Shah has told Jay Shah that Jay Shah
He's
will
talked
not
to
going
himself.
to. Yeah.
It's like a reel, influencer reel. खुद से बात किया
Yeah,
है
it's
इसने.
Govind Menon from Spender Bender.
Yes. I didn't want to
reel.
say it. तूने बोल दिया.
बोल दे भाई, Govind
it's
Menon,
like-
shout out.
Govind Menon, shout out. He doesn't watch cricket or
Yes,
football.
or crickets.
Anything.
Why?
Look at this
Oh,
guy.
oh,
He's
man.
plugging. This will be out by then, but yes, tomorrow I'm competing against Govind Menon in Antariksha producer's show
Yeah.
about Bollywood, where we both. I think he also sucks at Bollywood, right? So this will be fun. Finally, I'm done playing with people like this guy.
South Indian derby it will be.
South Indian Southern Derby.
Sudden derby.
I hope I'm CSK. First time I've said that sentence,
Yeah.
but I hope I'm CSK.
Yes, you RCB supporter.
Yes.
But tell me,
हाँ.
like, I think India, I think they should just do the
क्या
Champions Trophy in Afghanistan. I think khatam karo. Promote it in a new nation. You
That's
know,
away game for
associate.
Pakistan, but no.
Yeah.
That's like India B.
Yeah.
Afghanistan in cricket is India B. अभी.
Oh my God. So तो फिर
हाँ.
क्या होने वाला? नहीं,
I
I
mean,
don't think.
they can't. Can they play a Champions Trophy without India? Can cricket?
Never,
that
dude.
hit.
Even Ashes, mein, you need one Indian at least. Like, you know, if you look at it, like
Yeah.
England always has like someone from the subcontinent,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
not
yeah.
Indian also, but
The
like Moeen
person
Ali
who-
or Adil Rashid or
Whoever burns the
Monty
ashes at the end.
Panesar, like you need.
That's true. Monty.
Yeah, whoever burns their ashes, you're saying.
हाँ, वो Indian करता है वो last में. It's our tradition.
Yeah, I was like, well, Moeen Ali and Adil Rashid burning ashes. Yeah. So
But I mean, they have to figure this out. I think India.
Jay Shah, get going.
Yeah, I think India always wins in this because it's cricket. This
Yeah.
arena we dominate. तो
Yeah, it's going to be, I
दुबई
think,
में होगा.
श्रीलंका में हो जाएगा या
I'm
कुछ.
telling what will happen. 1-2 हफ्ते बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हमें भी दुबई में खेलना है. उसके
हाँ.
बाद साउथ अफ्रीका से दुबई.
Yeah.
Slowly पाकिस्तान खुद के साथ खेल रही है.
Yeah.
Alone in पाकिस्तान नेट प्रैक्टिस. और सब लोग दुबई में खेल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Because there's no cricket without
Hamla
India.
Harris off screen.
There's no cricket without India.
Yes, so I think eventually दुबई में होगा. ये थोड़ा नखरा भी शुरू कर दिया
हाँ,
है
थोड़ा.
दिखाने के लिए कि अच्छा.
You have to stand your ground
Yeah.
initially. मतलब सबको पता है डैडी कौन है गेम का.
Yeah, Pakistan will also stand ground for some time, but
Yeah.
speaking
but by
of,
the way, when I say, sorry, we're going to the same topic, but
Yeah,
when I
no,
say
that's fine.
daddy of cricket is India, it's only in terms of administration.
yeah,
Right now.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
in terms of the cricket. Pakistan is daddy, as you were saying.
Pakistan is daddy number 1 right now because dude, what the hell is
क्या
happening?
bowling है dude अभी उनका?
Like हर मैच उनकी देखी लो स्कोरिंग मैच थी. कोई भी मतलब ऐसा कोई 250
हाँ.
प्लस भी शायद नहीं गया. अगर
no
मैं एक बार check
Australian
करूं.
has scored a 50. मेरे को ये पता है.
इस पूरे series में?
हाँ, and only Pat Cummins tried in one match थोड़ा
Yeah.
बहुत. So this is good for India. कि
Yeah.
Australia of course is limited overs, but generally Australia is also not in form.
I mean, Australia is not in form in the sense that like it's one day and
That's
it's
true. Also,
against
it's their B
Pakistan.
team.
Yeah.
काफी लोग नहीं खेले हैं.
हाँ, तो
But
ये
पाकिस्तान
वाली
का C team है ये.
और इंडिया का A+ टीम था, तो हम लोग को तो आई थिंक चुप ही बैठना चाहिए फिलहाल.
Oh man, but since we shat on Pakistan, they have really proven themselves. And also बाबर का तो खत्म ही है मतलब.
बाबर
अभी.
खत्म, but good job by like Rizwan overall,
Yes.
like leading the side.
Played some
and
beautiful
also
strokes.
Everybody feels like this about
Yes.
Pat Cummins. If
ये
there's a
ये
photo-
वाला अंतरिक्ष डाल देंगे हम
अंतरिक्ष ये
एक
वाला
image.
फोटो डाल देना. Look at the intimacy.
Yes,
between-
Rizwan.
Yeah.
I mean, who wouldn't do that with Pat Cummins next to them?
Blue-eyed boy.
Pat Cummins turning straight man gay since whenever he debuted, 2011.
2000.
Blue-eyed boy.
There's pre-Pat Cummins and post-Pat Cummins.
Only 2 blue-eyed boys I like in cricket. One is Pat Cummins, one is episode 26 Murli Vijay. That's it.
जब से Pat Cummins cricket में हमने grinder download कर दिया है.
That's right. Pat Cummins to star in Mission Impossible after Tom Cruise
Yeah.
retires. मैंने
So,
सुना है.
also one more thing I want to show you is you want to see what happened in that match where Zampa versus where Zampa said yes I've nicked it on a short ball, you know, and Rizwan is like, you know, you feel for everything. He's like,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
but
yeah.
is it out? He's like, yeah, I can. Oh yeah, you should take
Should
the
I take
review.
it? I love when Pakistan and Australia, like when the cricketers communicate, because neither is actually saying what the other things they're
Yeah.
saying. It's full miscommunication,
Yeah.
but हो जाता है बात. But yeah, if you all have not seen this reel, like the ball missed the bat by like
quite a lot.
by a
The head,
kilometer.
it's very Labuschagne of Zampa actually.
Yeah, and it's this is like Kamran Akmal used to appeal for stuff like this all the time.
Yeah,
Pre DRS, he used to just shout.
In general, Pakistan is known to be the annoying, like having an annoying wicket keeper.
That's
Although
true.
I like Rizwan, like he's
Rizwan
not
is
as,
one of the best in a long time.
Yeah, so
और कौन था?
Moin Khan was also
Moin
one.
Khan.
So
fair enough. यही
Yeah.
दो थे हमारे लाइफ टाइम.
हाँ, हमारे लाइफ टाइम में तो यही थे.
और कोई था क्या पाकिस्तान का?
और मतलब ये नहीं, ये तो फिर
यही थे.
कामरान अकमल, फिर उसके बाद वो जो कैप्टन
राशिद
था
लतीफ
सरफराज.
क्या? राशिद लतीफ.
Rashid Latif,
Was
I'm
he?
not too. No, I don't think so.
यार भूल गया मैं
I'm not.
सब.
Sarfaraz was a keeper, but he hardly like did anything. Like he wasn't actually annoying at all.
सरफराज.
Sarfaraz was not that annoying.
क्या सरफराज कौन? अच्छा हाँ.
Sarfaraz Ahmed, yeah, burger
yes,
pizza.
yes.
I only remember that.
मैं सरफराज वो ओल्ड पाकिस्तानी स्पेसर का सोच रहा हूँ.
एक तो बहुत सारे सरफराज है.
हाँ, that's true.
सरफराज
हाँ,
अहमद.
विकेट कीपर था राशिद लतीफ.
राशिद लतीफ भी कीपर था. But
yeah, Moin Khan and Kamran were the
Kamran
big
were the
ones.
most annoying ones.
Most annoying ones.
Yeah.
But Pakistan is killing it right now.
Yeah.
Billy Bowden
Billy
is
Bowden
back.
is very happy or sad, I don't know.
यार बिली बाउडन वो अंपायर क्या करते हैं आजकल? He's alive, right?
अंपायर एक सेकंड यार, वो
Did
तो यार वो भी न्यूजीलैंड वाला है भाई, वो भी
यार अंपायर होके कौन रिटायर करता है? I don't
61
understand. It's
year
such a laid back profession. तुम खेलते रहो ना, तुम खेल भी नहीं
Hey,
रहे
he's a New Zealand cricket umpire and former cricketer. So
Yeah.
it's like he's not retired yet. One second.
हाँ, but I don't see Billy Bowden in any games.
Yeah, he's not been there for a while.
तू games में नहीं दिखती आजकल.
Billy Bowden, बता किधर है आजकल तू?
But so Pakistan is in form.
Yes.
But let's come back to BGT पे
India
है क्या?
BGT में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है.
What do you think? I feel like हम of course as Indian team supporters हम सिर्फ इंडिया पे ही फोकस कर रहे हैं और हमारा बैटिंग बहुत it could be a struggle. We don't know. Based on current evidence, it could be.
But Dhruv Jurel, by the
Dhruv
way,
Jurel
has played
has been
really
killing
well.
it.
So there is a possibility.
Also,
I mean, I don't know if there's a possibility.
Yeah, also there is promise with we've not seen our opener ठीक से अभी भी.
केला?
नहीं,
Then?
केला तो देख लिया हमने.
Yashasvi.
I feel this could be a good series for him.
Yes, this is going to be the.
This is the one.
This is the
This is where he has
test.
to stand up and be counted. All the openers usually Australia में हम struggle.
But I have a
करते हैं.
feeling एक मैच स्ट्रगल करेगा, 1.5 मैच स्ट्रगल करेगा. मैं I'm assume मेरे को लग रहा है 100 और 150 मिनिमम. यशस्वी प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Predict. Okay, I
13th
predict.
of
I
November.
predict 200s.
200
and 250s.
and 250s.
That's right.
Wait, so you're saying out of 8 innings, he's going to have. No, wait, sorry, 10 innings. He's going to have 4. I mean,
yeah, 450
that's possible.
plus scores. That's my prediction because I feel he has to do
450
it.
plus scores, like total, like 200s and 250s. Okay, actually that's 40%.
Okay, doable.
Yeah,
I
doable
mean,
तो है ही.
And Virat will have 7 centuries.
Oh.
नहीं.
Oh my God.
Virat we'll come to Virat.
Well,
मेरे
yes,
को लगता है KL so will open with Yashasvi.
Yes, that's what everyone's been
Rohit
saying.
तो अभी
Because
नहीं
Rohit
खेल रहा है.
is irresponsible.
And Gill will probably come one down.
Yeah.
इन तीनों में से मतलब 2 ही इनमें से रन करेंगे.
हाँ.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा.
ये
कौन
first
वो
3 में
which
से.
two.
Okay.
Which 2 मैं नहीं बोल रहा. You assume.
मैं assume करूँ.
हाँ प्लीज.
यशस्वी
हाँ.
और
कौन करने वाला है? सेकंड मेरा बच्चा नहीं कर रहा. It's not KL.
Yes.
But
yeah, actually KL
overseas
the
में
way
कर
he
देता
got
है
out also, but like you saw that wicket? Dude, what was happening there? He was just...
Man, when Rahul gets out, right, it's always like he's forgotten how to play cricket.
Yeah.
ये मेरे को युवराज के साथ भी दिखता था, but युवराज would play the next
ये तो कोहली अगेंस्ट स्पिन भी लगता था.
True,
अभी
true.
तक लगता है
हाँ, like
actually.
युवराज used to sometimes like act like कैसे ये बॉल कैसे हुआ. Next match he'll hit like 5 6 or something. But Rahul goes through these patches. It's not a patch anymore.
Yeah,
it's
the main it's the main kapda. Patch is a patch.
Form का patch चल रहा है अभी. But
रफू में उसका बस फॉर्म आता है भाई.
But I'm saying कि हमारा batting
यशस्वी I don't think. Okay, let me be the optimist.
ठीक है बता.
I think Shubbu 2 centuries. Okay. Yashasvi 1 for now. 150.
Okay.
Kela also 100.
Oh,
Yes, that's a bold prediction.
Fifth test, dead rubber.
That doesn't matter.
नहीं, हाँ,
Okay,
possible.
pause 1 century.
He's capable of anything.
Yeah.
He's a mercurial player.
वो क्या होता है भाई?
मतलब जो suddenly पागल हो जाता
अच्छा. Where Mercury is in retrograde. Is that why?
उसका retrograde में ही रहता है.
And I say Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant is the
290s.
I think this is Rishabh's. Only 2 people can win us this series.
Rishabh
Actually,
and
3.
Pujji?
I'm putting Yashasvi there. I really believe in him.
Okay.
Or it's
Bumrah?
Bumrah.
हाँ.
Or Rishabh.
And
Rishabh is our mainstay.
Washi?
He's our best batter. Washi is also mercurial.
No, yeah, he's not that much Mercury.
Actually, he's pretty
He's very like
Yeah.
Earth.
Yeah.
Earthy.
I'm looking forward to him
Yeah.
disrespecting their batting, their bowling, and
Yes,
hitting it
he has
behind.
one dog already called Gabba.
Oh,
We need another-
We need all the ovals.
Yeah,
क्या,
we
Perth
need-
Oval, जो भी है नाम इनका. MCG.
MCG one, Melbourne Cricket Ground,
भाई Brian
Sydney
Lara
Cricket
named his
Ground.
daughter Sydney और इधर हमारा Washington कुत्ते को नाम दे रहा है. Little different eras.
Yeah,
चल रहा
I
है.
mean eras and also age, right? Like,
Age, fair enough.
Yeah, once he'll have a child, he'll name the
हाँ.
child.
अब अभी रोहित तो घर पे रह रहा है तो आई थिंक वांगखेड़े नाम दे रहा है अपने बच्चे को.
वांगखेड़े शर्मा. And दूसरे का नाम ब्रेबॉन शर्मा.
ब्रेबॉन. इसको ऐसे अंग्रेजी नाम क्यों दिया है दूसरे को?
Lord Brabon. Brabon Stadium.
ब्लू आइड होगा दूसरा बच्चा. सब लोग बोले मुरली विजय. तू इधर ट्रिपल टाइम. 1 time नहीं 3 times.
ट्रिपल सेंचुरी नहीं बनाई लेकिन
बट मैं सोच रहा मुरली विजय पूरा करियर अपना वो लेंस पहन के खेल रहा है.
हाँ.
मुझे नहीं लगा कि उसकी असली आँख है. बट आई वाज सेइंग कि इंडियन सॉरी वी हैव टू पुट मुरली विजय एपिसोड 26.
yeah, we have to talk about pregnancies and unplanned
Yeah.
and
It's a
planned.
paid partnership
Yes.
with him. I mentioned him 6 times.
It's a paid partnership. That's right.
I'm saying कि इंडियन बैटिंग तो है ही थोड़ा अप एंड डाउन.
हाँ.
But Australia's batting is also not in a good place. They're an aging side. They're like
Yeah.
past their prime.
Like
Steve Smith is
Steve
not that
Smith
Steve
though
Smith
was
right now.
opening till like very recently.
Yeah,
Now
he's
he's gone
just-
back to his position.
Yeah, now they have one Sydney Sweeney opening for them. कुछ
Sydney-
हाँ, कोई है और McSweeney and new players.
And Margot Robbie.
Yeah, new players. I hope they never get out.
Hugh Jackman.
I hope their opening partnership lasts forever. Sydney Sweeney, Margot Robbie don't get out. And they're yeah, no one is
only
in form.
biggest threat for me is Uzi Khwaja. Uzi and Travis Head. These are the
Travis
only.
Head तो भाई let's not talk about
Yeah.
that guy. मतलब
I
हो
think
गया
ये दो main threat है and
हाँ.
bloody Scott Boland नहीं आ जाए dude because
हाँ.
the way he bowled us out.
Yes.
Did you watch? It was
Yeah, I remember.
horrendous to watch.
It was in the test also, right?
In
the show.
in the test also,
हाँ,
yeah.
हाँ,
And
हाँ.
even this Michael Nesar has been like bowling pretty well.
Hmm.
So it's like they've got a good bench strength.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Hazelwood is
Hazelwood is of
Cummins
course
are
always there.
the
Pat
mainstays.
Cummins like वो तो उनको तो
है
मतलब हम तो इंडिया A वाली मैच का बता रहे हैं अब
हाँ,
तक. But shots have been already fired. See, you know,
Yes.
like BGT is all about the press conferences.
It's really mainly about that.
Yeah, it's about the off-field stuff. What's happening?
So
you
let's
know?
talk about it. A man who has featured in our lifetimes as the villain for many years.
Yes.
Ricky Ponting.
Oh, I thought you were going to say Gautam Gambhir.
Yeah,
Depending
right
on
now-
your political
No,
spectrum.
currently villain वो है. But
Yeah, currently I
Ponting is
like
hero.
Ponting
Yeah,
at this
Ponting.
point.
Also in this whole argument, which we are going to mention, which you probably know about,
Yeah.
Ponting is in the right more or
Yeah.
less. Ponting is very smartly.
What did Ponting say?
Ponting
He
has said, हाँ बता ना.
नहीं तू बता मेरे को
He has basically said कि any other player would not be in the test side if he scored 2 test centuries in 5 years.
Yeah.
But उसके बाद immediately he said, but that's weird. We can't question the grades.
Gates. Yeah.
So I'm like, perfectly worded.
Yeah.
Ponting, you genius.
Yeah, Ponting's
मतलब
a genius.
IPL coaching career open रख रहा है, option रख रहा है.
Delhi team is there.
So he is very smart.
Yeah.
And of course, he's an Aussie. He wants to instigate also.
Yeah.
थोड़ा. So he did it in a fun, playful way.
Yeah.
But it's like he poked Gambhir. और
Dude,
Gambhir ने
Gambhir
चाकू
doesn't-
निकाल के अपने ही पैर पे डाल दिया चाकू. He's like, who is he? Why is he
Dude,
talking
he's
about it?
Australian. No, he
Yeah.
should talk about Australia. You know, he
But-
should bother about Australia. This is such a classic, like, overall right-wing government
Yeah.
reply.
It's
Like,
भाई हो गया वो तेरा term खत्म है. अभी
Yeah.
don't continue that.
exactly, dude. This has
Yeah.
been going on as an Indian. I feel like, you know, this has been going on for a while. Like,
But also
Beyonce, why you talking about India?
Yeah.
Like, you know,
इंडिया के बारे में नहीं इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलेगा।
और हमारे साले पूरा टाइम ट्रम्प जीत रहा है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, कमला हैरिस के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं।
We might as well put Anu Kapoor as our coach. इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलने का बोल देगा। It's the same thing. गौतम गंभीर उस दिन I saw him speaking and
It's an embarrassment that गौतम गंभीर
कैसे करके बात करता है कि no of course कर क्यों कर रहा है भाई, तू अभी थोड़ा humble रहे at this moment.
You know now what's happening right now.
Lakshman might become
Lakshman मतलब behind the scenes this is what they're saying. This is if we lose this, you're fucking out because. Dude, he's come out of like, okay, I'm not blaming it on him, but it just suddenly happened that we've lost 3 test match.
Yeah, it's
at home.
Something seems fishy.
Yeah,
right?
some undercurrent.
Yeah.
In the Marinara trench.
It could be the team is mutinying against him. They are united to remove him, which I don't think so. They seem to get along fine.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, at least in the photos, you know, photo op karna to sabko aata hi hai.
Ab to media trained hai sab.
Yeah, but he just said that, dude, like, okay, you should, like, it's so dumb.
We took a hit for no reason before the series started.
Yeah, actually, he could have just been like a chill.
He could have laughed it off.
Yeah.
And it would have turned it around, put one little funny poke.
Exactly, like,
but
yeah,
Gambhir doesn't do funny.
You know, they just, whatever, like, yeah, he doesn't understand
Gambhir just saw शाहिद अफरीदी वो एक बार जो उसके साथ फेस टू फेस हुआ था वो
भाई गौतम गंभीर को इतना समझ में नहीं आता जब उसका टर्म चल रहा था, ठीक है, तो किसने बोला था कि ये दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन की बात हो रही है और ये जाके जलेबी एमपी में कहीं पे मैच थी, कचौरी खा रहा है, लाइक तो मेरे कचौरी खाने से अगर पोल्यूशन रुक जाता नहीं खाने से तो मैं नहीं खाऊंगा।
वाओ,
लाइक डूड,
व्हाट अ पॉलिटिशियन।
सी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर एज वी नो इज नॉट इंडियाज फॉर्टे इन जनरल,
सीरियसली,
यू नो,
या
वी सी दैट इन द कमेंट्स ऑफ अदर podcasts all the time.
I think Gautam Gambhir, since he has joined, the team has suffered seriously, which is it's that I think the name is the problem. Gambhir is the problem. अभी थोड़ा happiness चाहिए टीम में. थोड़ा I don't know.
And get VVS.
Yeah, खुशी कपूर को बनाओ manager. थोड़ा happiness spread कर.
Yeah, get Khushi Kapoor, get some new TG for cricket.
I bet you never thought this sentence will happen. Khushi Kapoor for India cricket team manager.
Yeah, worst management would have been ex-singer Pankaj Udas.
Tell me something, guys. If Khushi Kapoor managed India in the New Zealand series, worst case क्या होता? 3-0 हारते. हाँ तो इतना क्या खराब बोला मैं?
Yes, if we have Gautam Gambhir, we need assistant coach Khushi Kapoor. Petition.
Gambhir and Khushi together is balanced team. Team का balance सही नहीं है अभी management का.
Yeah, but Dhruv Jurel deserves a chance. I feel.
Yes, but what happens to Sarfaraz? Sarfaraz को क्या करे?
मतलब अभी सरफराज को थोड़ा तो बिठा दो भाई, उसके सर के ऊपर से बहुत बॉल जाने वाली। पर्थ में तो सरफराज को एक्चुअली अच्छा है हमारे लिए, बहुत नो बॉल मिलेगी
भाई। उनको मैच फी डिडक्ट होने, पैट कमिंस का फ्री, मतलब फ्री में खेलेगा वो मैच, पैट कमिंस, नो इनकम।
सो दैट्स आल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग। आई फील लाइक यू आर राइट, लाइक गौतम गंभीर ने फुट एंड माउथ डिजीज एक लेके रख दिया अपने ऊपर।
Unnecessary Ponting is having a nice laugh.
What could have been a good reply though to Ponting? Like
what could have been a good reply? Yeah, that's also a good point.
Yeah,
इस पे नहीं सोचते हम सिर्फ problems निकालते हैं, हम solutions नहीं देते।
नहीं, मैं भी ऐसे सोच रहा था, like yeah, he could have laughed it off, like that could be his opinion, like
yeah, he could have just done a classic politician's comment, which is what he didn't do.
Classic non-politician.
Yeah, just leave.
Yeah,
पुजारा से सीखो थोड़ा,
well
leave करो, well left.
हाँ, कि yeah, that's his opinion, but we feel that Virat is something he could have just defended Virat, man.
Yeah, or he could have said ki yeah, he's not hit centuries, but I mean the numbers speak for themselves. The number of 40s he has hit, beautiful 40s.
Yeah, just be like a boring commentator cliche at the press. Like
how sharp his beard has looked through these 5 years. What about that? Do we not factor that?
Hair is always on point. Abs are always there.
To know when to strategically leave the team so that they win a series in Australia. मतलब ये सब कौन कर सकता है?
वही सिर्फ विराट ही कर सकता है। एंड लाइक हैविंग सेड दैट, इट्स सच अ बैड टाइम दैट आई हैड टू अग्री विद संजय मांजरेकर बिकॉज ही पॉइंटेड आउट सेइंग दैट यू नो दिस इज लाइक शेमफुल दैट दिस गाय इज गोइंग फॉर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, ही कांट बी द फेस ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट, प्लीज गेट Agarkar and Rohit Sharma. You know, Rohit Sharma should give press conferences sitting at home in paternity leave.
Rohit Sharma best press conference person because he's so uninterested and he's just like He'll just make a groan and they'll be like, that's the answer.
Yeah.
He's giving us today.
Me, my two spirit animals, Jagu Dada and Rohit Sharma.
Yeah, dude. Imagine Jagu Dada as a press con.
That
Dude, what a great
Rohit
role.
Sharma is like that, actually, kind of.
पौधा लगाने का बिडू बस
ग्रीन टॉप नहीं बनाने का,
Green top.
पौधा लगाने का क्या.
बहुत ग्रीन टॉप होने वाले हैं. I also think let's talk. I've written a couple of things. एक तो Bumrah has to go crazy this series. This is going to be Bumrah's BGT.
Yes.
Like
Bumrah
Flintoff's
Gavaskar.
ashes. मतलब he has to average 12 wickets a game. Maybe 1 century also.
Oh my god, उसकी पीठ जो टूटने वाली है इसके बाद.
और उसके साथ
हाँ, इसके बाद 6 महीना बुमराह take a break.
This is your tournament.
Yeah,
अभी.
this is your moment to
This is your
shine
moment.
because I think he maximum this is his second last I feel.
Yeah.
Australia
series. Every 2 years it happens.
Nah, 2 years later India will happen.
India, then 4 years.
4 years later we don't know. It's too far.
Oh, I have an interesting stat for you
Yes.
since you brought this up. बॉर्डर गावस्कर ट्रॉफी अभी 1996 या कुछ से चल रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay.
96. कैन यू गैस हमारा ओवरऑल विन लॉस विद ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्या है?
Okay. तो जहाँ तक मुझे याद है,
कुछ भी मतलब ऑब्वियसली इज अ टफ क्वेश्चन बट टू
I think हम पिछले 4 बार ही जीते हैं. If I'm not wrong.
That is correct.
Right?
That is
Yeah.
correct. We are 4 time running recurring champions.
Yeah. But before that it was Australia.
So they have won before that. It's surprisingly 24-20 in India's favor. We have won more tests in BGT than Australia.
What are you saying? But
Yeah.
we lost so many series.
We've
against
lost
them.
4-0 to them, but then they came and lost 4-0 to us immediately.
Oh yeah.
And it's all 2-1s last 4 years. At 8 years basically. उसके पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया वन.
उसके पहले the one में धोनी retired
Yeah.
mid-series. I
So,
remember that.
I think it's because
I think so. It was that one.
हाँ, I think it's just because we've always been कि home में we destroy them, away they destroy
So
us.
it's gone equal.
So it's equal.
But dude, they like dominated us through. But even we won one test. Like
the
through the
phase
2000s.
you are talking about is
when
like
I was watching cricket. Yeah.
there was a phase where they whooped us, but I'm trying to see.
Like the 2007, the 2004.
2007
Which
में
one was
2-1 ऑस्ट्रेलिया वन,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
2003.
उसके बाद इंडिया वन ट्वाइस. 2011 में 4-0 दे वाइट वॉशर्स, बट देन 2012 में हमने 4-0 किया उनको
इंडिया में.
हाँ भाई.
Oh man, I don't remember this.
हाँ, ये सब याद नहीं रखता.
Gone blank. Yeah.
इंडिया में 4-0 वी टू अज्यूम, ये तो गिवन है
Yeah.
कि हम वाइट वॉश करेंगे. और लुक एट द टाइम्स नाउ. हाँ
भाई.
Unbelievable.
टाइड की सफेदी white wash.
ये दिस इज बिफोर न्यूजीलैंड स्टैट्स. BNZ अभी ANZ स्टैट्स अलग हो गए.
ANZ is a
ANZ
is a sponsor, no?
Yeah, bank. Shit, sorry. If you want to sponsor us, we are available.
What is the full form?
ANZ
ANZ is there उनकी
Australia New Zealand bank है.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ANZ Grindlays.
Yeah. So if you guys want to sponsor us,
Please.
if Big Basket can sponsor
Great
Great Cricketer,
It's only fair. बॉर्डर गावस्कर का इंटर कंट्री एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में
yeah.
इतना तो बन सकता है.
Yes, ANZ.
Border Gavaskar is about crossing borders ultimately. All right.
So Pakistan, if Oye Hoye Cup wants to sponsor us, now that you
also-
have extra money from not sponsoring Champions Trophy.
I also feel, of course, now I'm shouting out all players, so it is kind of cheating. But I think DSP Siraj will also do
Yes,
something.
DSP BlackRock.
DSP Siraj encounter करने वाला है.
But DSP Siraj खेलने वाला है कि आकाशदीप खिलाने वाले
I
हैं
think
कि
खेल
पहले
लेगा
तो
सिराज. First Perth में खिला देंगे
हाँ
उसको.
first
He
match
should
तो
play.
yeah and
वो
he's been very good abroad at least.
Encounter करने वाला है सिराज. Normally police encounter में victim भागता है.
हाँ.
But when Siraj does encounter, he's the one running in. It's a different kind of
Uzi का
home
encounter.
delivered encounter. But I really have high hopes
अब
for
तक
Siraj.
56 wicket.
Because even Siraj का ही मतलब he has maybe one more BGT abroad, right? Or is
No
he-
यार Siraj
he's
is
much
very
younger,
young.
yeah.
Yeah, he's
I forget, dude. I feel like he's been around.
He's been around but he's still young.
Siraj का age क्या है?
Like he's been around for 4
भाई
years.
DSP बन गया है, dude.
DSP का कितना हो गया भाई देख एज
30 तो है.
30 हो गया.
हाँ.
अच्छा काफी लेट है फिर.
हाँ,
हाँ.
he's a late bloomer also.
Yeah.
So 30 या 34 he'll play
Early
one more.
bloomer for a
That's it.
DSP I would say though.
Yeah, definitely. Our absolute trailblazer in khaki. No doubt about that. White में अभी क्या करेगा वो
Let's
देखना.
see.
khaki में तो kill कर दे रहा है.
Yes.
But Siraj, I think, is going to be... These two guys in tandem are going to... Perth is a great place for them to start. We'll
Yeah.
lose the match, but they will kill it. That's
I
my
think we are
prediction.
winning the first match.
We are winning at Perth.
Yes,
That's a
Perth.
big
My prediction is winning. I've given my prediction. Kohli के centuries we've not
मुझे
predicted.
लगता है
Kohli, I say
Kohli will score 100 runs.
Two
in
centuries.
in the first 3 games combined.
नहीं
This is-
चलेगा दे दे.
नहीं.
Bold prediction makes
See,
for
this
good
is
podcasting.
and it'll also get a lot of haters, which is good for us. I
Please
guess.
give us hate, guys.
What do you guys feel about Kohli? What's he gonna do in the? Because see, this is in a way his last hurrah, and he's had a good record in Australia. Whatever.
But he's
you
not
say.
had that comeback like the way Sachin had after tennis elbow.
सचिन को मत ला भाई.
अरे
इसमें.
यार.
पूरे सचिन कोहली मत कर फिर से.
Sachin मेरा favorite.
That's true.
okay.
He's not at tennis elbow के बाद नहीं आया उसका
हाँ.
ऐसे. But tennis elbow नहीं करा है इसलिए. That's why.
एक tennis elbow करा
Post
दो.
tennis elbow you watch Kohli. Post tennis elbow क्या करेगा वो. ठीक है. So
Yeah.
but I think you're right. I feel like this is that 1 century he will hit and then the Kohli army will be like haters कहाँ हो तुम
Yeah.
लोग Rohit Sharma की माँ की whatever.
You know what I feel?
And then he'll again go away.
Like Rohit तू का है मैं hospital में हूँ लीलावती में actually.
But hoping for. I hope he scores every innings. That would be
Yeah.
the ultimate.
And I have a request for Ritika Babi. जल्दी premature कराओ ताकि second test में रोहित शर्मा आ सके.
What a small request.
Small,
from Ritika
yeah.
Babi.
20 days before the due date. I'm a premature child and I've turned out fine, I guess.
From one premature child to another. Jaldi आओ. We waiting for you. हाँ
So
अभी
that's
कर
what
लो.
I've been waiting for.
हाँ अभी Sagittarius क्या चल रहा है अभी Libra बच्चा जो भी है जल्दी बनाओ.
जल्दी का T20 के तरह बनाओ भाई. 9 महीने नहीं है. पावर प्ले में अपने को बाहर चाहिए. After power play, 5 outside the ring.
But और कुछ any expectations from anybody
No,
else
I have a
in
feeling
particular?
Kohli will score a century, but I'll tell you what happened.
Yes.
इंडिया हारी, ठीक है 3 और उस रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद मैंने बैठ के ये मेरे को बहुत खराब लगता है also
हाँ.
because मेरा एक soft side है for
हाँ.
अजिंक्य रहाणे.
Jinx.
Dude, I watched him bat.
हाँ.
His BGT, if you remember WTC final.
Yes.
Scored an 89 or 90 runs.
Yeah.
And got out on like a outside off to Cameron Green, लंबा 8.5 फुट का आदमी ने जो कैच लिया. Dude, just watch that innings, it's
it
so
was beautiful.
it's beautiful.
He was playing fearless cricket.
Yeah.
Fearless cricket, yeah, from Jinx.
Yes. There's someone who likes you to Ravi Shastri voice.
Yeah,
so
so
do it
that's
every.
for you.
Yes.
I forgot कि एक भी नहीं किया इस बार. So
हाँ.
I'll do 2-3 now. Don't worry.
So dude, the thing is like अगर ना ये 90 रन इसने कोहली ने बनाए होते 89 तो पूरा इंटरनेट आज तक याद करता
भाई, पूरा
कि
मतलब-
रिमेंबर के बाकी कोई नहीं खेल पाया बट रहाणे आई थिंक दिस sweet
He's
Maharashtrian
a
middle
sort of-
class boy,
Sort of low profile guy.
he's not put money in PR, and I think it's become about fucking PR and like building your own opinion.
That is
Dude,
true.
tell me, you watch that innings and tell me how this guy who's in his prime gets
You are
dropped
right.
abruptly after that.
You are right.
After scoring 89, and even in the second innings, he wasn't bad. Like I think he scored around. I don't remember exact. Like I think below 50 only, if I'm not mistaken. But
Okay, I
just
don't
watch him
remember.
bat in that match. Like no, and proper aggressive, like you said, fearless cricket.
Yes.
Not one of those like.
Yeah, like chanceless innings.
Yeah, man.
But
I saw this. Yeah, this is just. I feel
yeah,
bad
but
about it.
so Rahane, I think the one thing you can say about him, like he did in Chennai, not this IPL, the previous,
Yeah.
where he played like crazy for
Yeah.
the first 5-10 games,
Yeah.
but then he does sort of fade away. He just does enough sometimes to.
But I do
stay.
feel like okay, yeah.
Huh.
But I feel like in Test matches,
Huh.
if you watch him bat, like he's
Yeah.
been playing aggressive batting because he's
True.
also batting at like later.
Yeah, and also to be honest, that's the only form of batting left now. Test match
Exactly.
में भूल गए लोग. 4
And-
day होता है test match.
And
आजकल.
he is solid, man. Like
Yeah.
ऐसे कोई technical
Technically
flaw नहीं है.
solid.
He's been getting out even in the series before that when
Yeah.
like before he got dropped. The
Yeah.
few India innings that he played,
Yeah.
you watch them and he's getting out on like good shots.
Yes.
Sometimes getting unlucky. Sometimes trying to go aggressive and then getting out. But there's that like intent.
Yes.
As the word's been used around.
Intent is important.
Quite casually. Yeah. So he has shown that. Like I've never seen Rahane play tentative fucking
Yes.
cricket.
So maybe they should make him captain
It's
now
too-
that now that Rohit is having a kid. Try that experiment again.
I mean, yeah.
out
now-
of nowhere.
It's too late now. Like
It's too
even
late.
I feel like him and Pujara, like
Bumrah is captain for Test 1.
Yeah.
If by the way, it could be Test 1 or 2.
yeah.
We
So that's
don't know.
why I requested, no?
Yeah,
Ritika Babi.
Oh yeah, जल्दी कर लो,
Premature,
खत्म कर लो.
20 days.
Speaking of IPL, IPL audition
IPL
किसी ने बहुत अच्छा किया अभी रिसेंटली.
हाँ ऑडिशन अच्छा है. IPL के पहले बहुत ऑडिशन शुरू हो जाते हैं.
और हमारा जोशी भाई एज यूजी भाई कॉल्स हिम
जोशी
भाई, हमारे जोशी भाई जो Billy Bowden's other name off camera name is Joji by the way. And जोजी था वो सिकंदर. But Josh Butler ने 115 meters का 6 मारा है.
Oh my God, I
What
saw
an
that.
audition for the IPL, reminding people कि मैं हूँ अभी इधर.
Josh is, but he's been very good overall, like even for Rajasthan.
But Josh Butler is such a crazy, like when he plays, and then when he doesn't, he just doesn't do anything.
Yeah, and then England players, they go back. You know, they're like कि हमें वापस जाना है.
हाँ भाई, like ये क्या नाम है हमारा Ben Stokes तो छोड़ ही दो.
But अभी इस बार उन्होंने वो rule बनाया है कि you can't just leave randomly.
So Ben Stokes has backed out ना.
Ben Stokes नहीं खेल रहा है. वो तो कभी खेला है लास्ट में कोई याद भी नहीं.
बस वो पैसा लिया है, वो पैसा छाप के गया है.
तो अभी वो rule change हो गया कि फिर तुम्हें अगले साल भी ban कर देंगे.
Ben Stokes पे scam का next season Ben Stokes का है. Scam 2021 या जब भी किया है उसने. पैसा लेके मेंटल हेल्थ इशू रिपोर्ट करके घर जाता है. और
डिप्रेशन है तो रिसेशन है
भाई. 20 करोड़ पॉकेट में लेके डिप्रेशन.
जस्ट अ जोक गाइस, मैं अब भी बता रहा हूँ, मैं डिप्रेशन का मजाक नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ प्लीज, वी डोंट, मेंटल हेल्थ इज अ रियल प्रॉब्लम.
या but overall,
so is India's batting right now.
India's batting is a bigger problem, which is causing a lot of mental health issues to us.
But we have, of course, we'll be back next week, and that'll be like another set of.
Give us your bold predictions or your boring predictions, like my boring and his bold.
Please give your predictions and make them crazy, because we will talk about them in the next episode.
Yeah.
Make them as crazy as possible. It could be something like Sanjay Manjrekar and Gambhir will fight physically.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna, bad blood will keep flowing. Or I don't know, or kya, Kohli will hit a century, something as crazy as that. Kuch bhi prediction bhejo.
Yeah.
And we will
Kohli will bowl.
Kohli will bowl and take a wicket in the first ball, like he's done before.
Yeah. Manus Labuschagne. Labuchange.
The Marathi in their team, Labuschagne. But
so give us your predictions.
Yes. Now, and of course, like and subscribe.
Please like करो, अपने दोस्तों को बोलो कि देखे podcast. You know, हम लोग इतनी मेहनत करे. So we have a 52-week plan.
Yes.
If we don't make a single rupee till the 52nd week, so if any brand managers are watching or are interested,
yes,
we are halfway there.
Maybe considering how much we are roasting Gambhir, MS भाई, आपका कोई आपके बहुत companies है.
MS भाई को थोड़ा आज रहने देते कि MS भाई पे थोड़े 7 cases चल रहे हैं. थाला फॉर
7 केस भी साथ ही चलते हैं.
वैसे बनाया
बट यही है फैक्ट.
यही है, 7 केस चल रहे हैं.
MS धोनी का फेवरेट मूवी हम साथ है.
और 7
7 खून माफ.
7 deadly sins.
बट हाँ, कोई भी स्पॉन्सर अगर चाहिए आ जाओ.
प्लीज आ जाओ.
Blank space बहुत है हमारे.
If you want a branded segment, we are up for. We are Bikau, man.
Yeah.
We want to wear like
anyone. If the Great Cricketer wants, they can be our sponsor. Yeah. We will say Great Cricketer presents Cricket
podcast. Yeah, look at him wearing Led Zeppelin. Look
at
me wearing like some H&M. We want to be wearing jaywalking and be here.
But
and we need to get Antriksh married.
Yeah, Antriksh, our producer, is getting married.
So we need money.
भाई बहुत पैसा लगेगा
अभी बहुत पैसा लगने वाला है. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं लाइफ में?
हाँ यार, प्लीज यार कुछ करो हमारे लिए. Yes. Antriksh also wants, like Rohit, buy 2 kids by next Border Gavaskar 2 kids. तो थोड़ा हमारा कुछ कर दो आप.
Yeah, 2 co-producers.
Yeah, help us out. Antriksh having kids. Dudeja, who knows? I have to also reconnect with my kids. तो पैसा दे दो मेरे को.
I have to take care of Billy Bowden.
That's right.
She has to get a neutered. It's expensive.
Yeah, her neutering is going to be very expensive.
Yeah, 1.5 lakh. Yeah, if you can transfer to my account, I'll give GPay number.
It's a special Turkish neutering. You're going to Turkey.
Yeah.
और वो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करके शीला फुल लॉन्ग.
या मेरा उसका दोनों का उससे निकाल के मेरे सर पे डालूंगा.
How to make people not notice your hair transplant की बिल्ली ये क्या है? They don't notice कि तूने भी कराया. But
that's the way.
But that's the episode 26. Murli Vijay, thank you for your work.
Yes, thank you for your contribution to the sport.
Smash the like button.
Jokes for all times.
That's right. Bye from Billy.
Bye from Billy. Bye from us. Like, share, subscribe.